Hey, this is Nato Fully Covered, and I have the head coach here, Luis Aleman. And what we're going to talk about today is insurance funnels and why everyone should be using it. Okay, before we used to have 3 or 4 softwares that insurance funnels does all in one. So it's an all-in-one software.
So all-in-one software, what does that mean? It means that all the funnels are built in, all the scripts are built in, the automation's built in. Versatility of it, right? So when you think about versatility, it's saying, oh, well, can I do websites on it? Can I do funnels on it? Can I do landing pages on it? All of the above is included within insurance funnels.
Yeah, so instead of having like a Frankenstein system where you're putting a whole bunch of things together, all it is one login and you have everything in one place. Another thing is versatility, which he kind of already mentioned, is the versatility of doing different things where like we mentioned before, in the past we needed a whole bunch of softwares. Also, a lot of the funnels are done for you because Luis already did it for you. So it's very easy when Luis creates a new funnel, which by the way, we're always doing it in the background. We're always testing new things. He's testing 2, 3, or 4 things right now. And you guys might not see it because some of the things don't work. But let's just say we get a funnel fully working. All Luis does, clicks a button and you get the funnel. You don't have to recreate it. He already did it for you.
Yeah, you know, the biggest thing you're gonna have to do, the hardest piece of the funnel that you're gonna have to do is just put in your own state. Because everything's already built in for you. All the automation's already built in, the funnel itself's built in, the flow's built in, and we teach you everything else.
Another thing is you can do websites on it. And one thing is we have HTML websites, templates that you can add right now if you want to. And in the future, very near future, if you have a WordPress site out there, you're gonna be able to bring it into insurance funnels and host it on there, which is really big, I think. And one of the biggest things is follow-up, which by the way, is one of the biggest things in conversion. With internet leads, you have to really respond really fast, typically less than a minute in order to get that conversion as high as possible. So we already have campaigns already done for you, but let's just say you want to create your own campaigns. That's also something that you can do.
More on the website part, so imagine this. A lot of people pay $120 to $200 on a monthly basis for a website. Well, guess what? With this system, you have everything built in, including your agency website.
Yep.
Which is amazing by itself.
Yep. So what we're gonna do now is Luis is gonna get on the computer. He's gonna show you how insurance funnels looks, and he's also gonna show you some of the features on it.
All right, so insurance funnels, what is the software about? So let me kind of give you a rundown of what the software is. You got a dashboard. It kind of shows you the exact what's going on in your actual dashboard within your system. The conversations, this is more for your texting, email conversations you're having with your leads. The opportunities is going to be more of a pipeline setup for you. Workflows, we don't need to worry about workflows right now. This is a new feature that's coming out for this new system. The marketing, it's going to be marketing campaigns. So what does that mean? It means follow-up campaigns based on email, based on text messages, anything that you can think about the follow-up process. So let me go down here. Now we have reporting. So Google Ads, Facebook Ads, you can actually sync all of those softwares, all those third-party apps with the system as well. Scheduling has a built-in calendars like Calendly pretty much, where you don't have to pay for another software. It's already within the software itself. So again, a lot of benefits that go behind this. But one of the things that we said is the versatility of how to use the system. So one is the funnels, one is the websites, and how to do your own websites and how we have done funnels for you. So let me give you an example of a website and the versatility that I was talking to you about. So we did a little contract with a roofer, right? So roofer and insurance, what does that mean? That means that you can write commercial insurance behind it, right? You do a little bit something for them, they'll do something for you, and kind of move forward with things. But let me kind of show you exactly what I mean by the roofing landing page here. So as you can see, and this is all built in within the system for you, okay? This right here, it kind of looks just like a website does, right? So it's just a template. So all you have to do is come in here, build it out, just put in the company names that you're gonna be doing it for, and then boom, you have a website for a roofer. Same thing that you do for insurance, you can do for any other company out there as well. And that's more for commercial insurance as well, okay? Let me show you a funnel for insurance, right? So final expense. Let's look at that real quick. Give you another example. That's a calendar that you're going to see right here. So they can schedule appointments for you within the actual funnel itself. Let me show you the exact funnel real quick. Let's go here. Here is one of the funnels that we've come up with. This is a final expense funnel. Again, as you can see, this is a logo up here. You can change that out. We teach you exactly how to change that. The range, everything's already built out for you. And then of course, you can go ahead and edit all this at the bottom. So you can see there's so many things that go on within the system itself. So that's considered a funnel as well, because you can see a one-by-one question. But anything you want to do within the system, you can do, especially with the settings as well. If you go to the settings, you can actually sync in all of your domain names you purchased in the past, future domain names, and so forth. But that, in a nutshell, it does everything for you. So all-in-one software means built-in surveys or built-in funnels for yourself, built-in websites. You can run your own website itself as well. All the follow you ever need, and that's insurance funnels for you in a nutshell.